Scabbers Gaming here, bringing you another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get Tekkit. So for those of you who don't know about Tekkit, Tekkit is basically a modded version of Minecraft, okay? So like in the cheat mode you can get loads of different stuff and all that, and it loads mods automatically. So yeah, so this is for people who don't know how to get Tekkit. So basically you want to go on whatever web browser you have. You want to type in Tekkit, and you want to click on the first link, Technic platform, okay? And what you want to do when this loads up here, you want to go to Get Tekkit, bring it down here, and you know what that noise is, and then you want to click there, okay? You want to click on there, and this will help you get Tekkit. And then you want to click on whatever you have. So if you have Linux, you click on that, Mac, you click on that, and Windows, you click on that. So I've already got it, so I don't really need to, but yeah. Then when you've downloaded that, you can make a shortcut for it, like I've done on here, and then you'll have Tekkit, guys. And yeah, and I'll just show you now. Once you load up Tekkit, there'll be loads of things like different maps and modded maps you can get, and basically like it will make you sign in with your normal Minecraft password and all that. I think that's just normal Minecraft, I don't know if it's modded. And then so basically you can get all these different mod packs now, which are really fun. I'm currently doing a series on this Tekkit here. Should be posting the second episode hopefully tomorrow or the next day, so that'll be good. Anyway guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.